Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. It is a swimming day. I normally would not record myself in a bathing suit, but you only see the top, right? So I am at my mother's house. She is the person I learned gardening from. She has a natural born green thumb. I always said that I didn't have a green thumb, and I have learned to have a green thumb. So if you are someone who thinks I can't do plants, I don't know plants, I kill plants, guess what? That's me. I used to kill every plant. In fact, in college, I had a plant my mom gave me to take to college. I don't think it lasted a month. So don't ever say you can't do plants because you don't have a green thumb. You can get there. Anyway, I am doing a video today on making flower essences with lilacs. This is common lilac. The other videos, the recent videos I've had are, I believe, Japanese lilac. They're bigger, purple. These are more white and they're smaller flowers, but I want to say more fragrant, maybe the same amount of fragrance. Really nice. But I'm making this flower essence actually for my dog. And he had a trauma, an injury when he was around 1 year old. He's almost 2, and he nearly or barely survived. And he actually is, well, today he's very much recovered physically. However, he does seem to get like startled at things. He gets nervous sometimes, where before his disposition he was more sturdy and stable in his ways. So I'm going to make this lilac flower essence and give him some of the water every day and try to help heal that emotional trauma that he had from the injury. Lilacs are for, helping you to become your best self and resolving some of that blocked energetics in regards to a latent trauma. So like, subscribe, hit the bell button, stay to the end of the video. I have my book commercial, and one other thing. This is a long intro. Please leave a comment down below. Just let me know you're here, say hi, and let's get started. So here is the lilac bush that I'm going to pull flowers from, and I want to pick the best looking flowers. I am going to be setting the flowers in the ceramic bowl with, it is not spring water. And if I were making, I guess if I were being a total purist, I would be using spring water. This is a filtered water system. So it's well water that is filtered. It is not like, city water or really highly treated water. It's very, I guess I want to say good quality, but not spring water. And if I was also being super purist, I wouldn't touch the flowers with my fingers. I would use a tweezers, but I am going to see if I can snap that off and set the flowers in the bowl. And I'm going to fill the top of the bowl with my lilac flowers. I'm not really going to touch them more than that. I'm going to let them sit here, and I'm going to move them to a sunny spot. So my flowers are in the ceramic dish. I have a nice sunny spot here, and I'm going to let them sit for 2 to 3 hours in the sun. You really want to have unbroken sun time for the flower essences. And then I will strain off the flower and keep the water. Now, when you make a flower essence, usually you preserve it with brandy. So you would use 50% water, 50% brandy. I am going to keep this as a floral water. And I'm going to keep it as a floral water, and I'm going to put it in my refrigerator in whatever amount I have, maybe a quart-sized jar. And then I'm just going to add this to his dog dish every morning, probably with nothing else, just to make sure he drinks all of it. And because He's a dog. I think I'll probably do about 2 to 3 teaspoons. It's just the flower water. It's no alcohol, nothing else, but I'm going to believe that that energetic flow from that flower will help get in there and soothe some of that latent trauma from his injury. I have strained the lilac water into this old Kombucha bottle, and I'm storing it in the refrigerator so that it preserves longer, but I think it would be fine out. We'll finish it pretty quickly, but I'm gonna just pour a little bit into a dish for him. And I'm actually also going to add, I just added about a tablespoon of elderberry syrup, a little bit for the flavor, so he's more enticed to drink this right now, and also because of the immune boosting properties. Go ahead. So before you head out, I want to share with you 3 books I've self-published. They are listed in the description down below, and you can link over. They are on Amazon, so check them out. I have a booklet. This is my all you need to know about making herbal tea. It's a great beginner guide. It is about making herbal tea with leaves and flower parts. And it's perfect. It's gonna get you started on herbal teas. Then I also have my children's book, The Story of the Gluten-Free Kid. This was written by me and illustrated with the help of my kids, and perfect for anybody who has any gluten-free kids. A really fun story that will help them not feel so alone. And then the 3rd book is my Mommy and Me journaling activities for love and serenity, and art journaling activities, I should have said. This is to be done with an art journal or an art notebook, and it is basically activities. So you have the still life activity, you have the doodle activity, you have, it's called the I am activity. So my 3 books on Amazon, link from the description. Help me out. Thanks so much.